Do you often skip breakfast thinking it will help you lose weight? It's interesting to know that people who have breakfast regularly tend to lead a healthier lifestyle, have fewer cases of overweight and obesity, and have a reduced risk of facing chronic diseases. Therefore, it's important not to skip eating something in the morning to start your day off on the right foot. Keep watching the video, as I will reveal the 7 healthiest and most nutritious foods to make your breakfast better. They will help improve your mood and concentration, in addition to providing more energy to face the day. There are 3 essential elements for a breakfast that truly prepares you for the day: proteins, fibers, and healthy fats. These ingredients are key to keeping you satisfied for longer, unlike options that contain a lot of refined carbohydrates. You know those foods that quickly raise your blood sugar? They make your body release a large amount of insulin to balance it out, which can make you feel hungry again very quickly. By focusing on a breakfast rich in proteins, fibers, and healthy fats, you avoid this cycle and stay energized and hunger-free for longer. Number 7. Eggs. Many people wonder if eggs are bad for your health. The answer is no, as long as they are consumed in moderation. And yes, they can be included in the daily diet without any problems. Eggs have been a fundamental component of breakfast in many places, especially in the United States, for many good reasons. They are rich in essential vitamins such as vitamin A, which is great for the skin and vision, vitamin D, and vitamin B12, which help protect the nerves. Moreover, they are an economical option, and let's agree, with rising prices this is a relief, and full of nutrients. 2 large eggs can provide more than half of the recommended daily amount of choline, which is crucial for the brain and nervous system, helping to improve memory, mood, and muscle function. Free-range eggs are even more recommended if they are within your reach. And let's not forget about the versatility of eggs. Whether fried, try using olive oil for this, boiled, scrambled, or in omelets that can be enriched with ingredients like tomatoes, spinach, mushrooms, and broccoli. Preparing a dish with eggs is always quick and practical. Number 6. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is without a doubt one of the best foods we can choose to include in our diet for various reasons. Being a whole grain, it is packed with benefits such as fibers and plant proteins, in addition to being an excellent source of iron, calcium, and magnesium. One of its major highlights is beta-glucan, a type of fiber that has a positive impact on cholesterol levels, thereby contributing to the reduction of cardiovascular disease risk. Moreover, oatmeal is extremely versatile. You can add fruits like bananas, strawberries, or raisins to enrich it, mix it with milk, almond milk, or even water. This results in a nutritious, complete, and very easy-to-prepare breakfast. Number 5. Greek yogurt. Unsweetened Greek yogurt is an excellent source of proteins, calcium, and probiotics, which are great for our digestive system's health. It's true that it's made from cow's milk, and we acknowledge that some people may be lactose intolerant or have allergies to milk components. However, for those who do not face these challenges, cow's milk is incredibly nutritious and, like eggs, has been unjustly criticized over time. Some argue that humans are the only species that consume milk from another species, but we are also the only ones who produce and consume beer, wine, use cell phones, read books, and have explored space. This highlights our unique ability for innovation and adaptation. Milk consumption dates back more than 6,000 years and has played a crucial role in our survival and evolution. The genetic adaptation to digest lactose in adulthood is an example of how our bodies have evolved to benefit from milk, not just as a source of essential nutrients, but also as a hydration source before the invention of modern water purification methods. Recently, milk has been viewed negatively, which seems a bit ungrateful considering its role in human dietary history. But speaking specifically about Greek yogurt, it is a key component of the Mediterranean diet, known for its health benefits. Rich in probiotics and, when combined with fruits, provides a fiber supplement that further enriches our diet with proteins, healthy fats, and fibers, forming a powerful trio for a balanced diet. Number 4. Smoothies. Smoothies are a fantastic option for a quick and nutrient-rich breakfast. You can easily prepare a delicious drink by blending a banana, an apple, and a piece of papaya with a spoonful of peanut butter, a pinch of cinnamon, and using milk or yogurt as the base. If desired, you can include whey protein in the mix for an extra protein boost. This drink not only satisfies hunger throughout the morning, but is also incredibly healthy, providing a good dose of essential vitamins and antioxidants for the body. Number 3. Green juice. Green juice is a smart and refreshing way to incorporate more nutrients, fiber, and few calories into your diet, using a mix of green leaves, fruits, and vegetables. Common ingredients include kale, mint, celery, and/or pronobis, as well as fruits like pineapple, lemon, and apple, and vegetables like carrot, beet, cucumber, and sweet potato. The beauty of green juice lies in its flexibility. There's no fixed recipe, allowing you to choose and vary the ingredients according to your taste, always keeping your diet interesting and diverse. The only rule? Avoid adding sugar to keep the drink as healthy as possible. Number 2. Fruits. Starting your day with fruits is an excellent and healthy way to energize your body. Bananas, for example, are a great choice for several reasons. They are filling, rich in potassium, which helps control blood pressure, and vitamin B6, essential for serotonin production. The latter can improve your mood and reduce anxiety. Bananas also have a good amount of soluble fiber. You can eat them raw, add them to oatmeal, or combine them with chia seeds or peanut butter for an enriched breakfast. Avocado is another exceptional fruit, full of healthy fats good for the heart and rich in both soluble and insoluble fibers, enhancing the feeling of fullness. Berries, such as strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries, are rich in antioxidants. They help protect blood vessels, improve circulation, and may reduce the risk of dementia by protecting the brain. Of course, these aren't the only beneficial fruits. Apples, melons, citrus fruits, and papaya are also excellent choices, full of nutrients and health benefits. The key is to vary the fruits in your daily diet to make the most of their nutritional properties. Number 1. Whole grain bread. Yes, whole grain bread is a healthy option to include in your diet, even though it contains gluten. It's important to understand that gluten is only harmful to people with specific conditions, such as celiac disease or gluten sensitivity. For most people, gluten poses no health risks and is not linked to issues like leaky gut, inflammation, or psoriasis unless there's a diagnosed intolerance or allergy. Gluten, like eggs, milk, and wheat, has been unjustly vilified for the vast majority of the population. The history of humanity and the development of agriculture highlight the importance of wheat. 10,000 years ago, wheat was just a wild plant, and its domestication was crucial for the agricultural revolution, as detailed in the book *Sapiens*. There is a significant difference between refined wheat and whole wheat. Whole grain bread, especially if made at home, contains bran and fiber that slow down the conversion of starch into glucose. This helps keep blood sugar levels stable, unlike products made with refined wheat. The fiber in whole grain bread also helps reduce cholesterol and provides important minerals like magnesium, selenium, and copper, which have the potential to protect against certain types of cancer. Extensive studies show that the consumption of whole grains is associated with a lower risk of overall mortality, cardiovascular diseases, and cancer. Interestingly, a 2017 study indicated that non-celiac individuals who avoid gluten may actually increase their risk of heart disease by reducing the consumption of beneficial whole grains. Furthermore, gluten can act as a prebiotic, feeding the beneficial bacteria in our digestive system, such as bifidobacteria in the colon. Therefore, whole grain bread is not only safe for most people but can also be part of a balanced and healthy diet. Try heating a slice of whole grain bread with a bit of olive oil and oregano, or adding an egg on top for a nutritious meal. To maintain balanced health and a happier life, keep watching the videos on the channel. We have a variety that will help you gain more knowledge about foods and discover that healthy food can also be synonymous with delicious food.